Yo, this be Tyrone. Hope you like the video. Be sure to subscribe.
There's a lodge and restaurants in this area. How can I help you?
Is this the chicken joint?
I'm sorry?
Is this the chicken place?
This is the Kula Lodge.
What the fuck's that?
I'm sorry?
What the hell is that?
It's a restaurant?
Do you sell chicken?
I'm sorry?
Do you have any chicken?
Do we have chicken?
Yes.
Chicken.
Shut up, little
We
bitch.
have...
You're not getting no chicken. Sorry, that was just my son.
No worries.
Shut up, man. I'm on the phone. Sorry.
We're a restaurant.
Do you
Are you
have
looking to
chicken?
come in for dinner?
Yeah, we love chicken and we have it every night.
Okay.
I'm sick of chicken.
Well, you're gonna eat it. Shut the fuck up or I'll bust a cap in your ass. Sorry, man. So what kind of chicken do you have?
Give me one moment here.
Thank you.
So as far as chicken goes, for lunch we have a curry chicken sandwich.
Mm-hmm.
For dinner we have a macadamia nut chicken.
Listen up.
Sounds good. What is the...
Well,
Shut up, man. What is the exact address of your store? Well, restaurant.
can you give me one moment to find out?
I like chicken. Yes, that's fine. Shut up, Satan. I'm on the phone.
Okay.
Alright, our address is 15200 Haleakala Highway.
Good.
Holly, shut up, little bitch. Okay, I'll be over there soon. So I'm gonna be getting a lot of chicken, okay?
I'm sorry?
I'll be over soon to get some chicken.
Okay, so as far as our lunch goes, our lunch starts at 11 o'clock. And if you're looking to get chicken for lunch, we do have the,
Yeah, that's cool. Well, I don't mind.
the
We have
curry
chicken for breakfast,
sandwich.
lunch, and dinner. That's cool. I'll pick up some of those.
Okay, bye-bye.
Alright, thanks, bitch.
Walker's Motel, can I help you?
Hello.
Hello?
Can you hear me?
Yeah?
Why did you put the phone down, bro? Last time I phoned.
I can't hear you that time.
You can hear me now, though.
A little bit, yeah?
How would you like it if I came down there and busted a cap in your ass, bitch? Hello? What the fuck?
My pen.
I got 7 Mac 11s, about 8 38s, 99 shit Mac 10s, the shit never end. You can't touch my riches, even if you had MC Hammer and a free 57 bitches. Biggie Smalls, the millionaire that mentioned the yacht. Oh, sorry, I didn't realize you answered. Hello? 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 Motherfucker.
Customer service representative, press 1. For annual
Got these big motherfucking rats, nigga.
Thank you for calling Bain. This is Cindy. Can I help you?
Hello? Is this pest control?
Yes, it is.
We got some big motherfucking rats over here. We need some help ASAP.
Okay, trying to recognize this voice. How can I help you?
You know me? You live in my street? Is this Veronica? Hello?
Are you looking for... Hello?
Yes.
How can I help you?
We need an exterminator over here ASAP.
Who's calling?
Tyrone.
Who... Okay, who can help you here?
What?
Who can I have help you here?
Anyone. We need an exterminator, please.
Who's calling, please?
Tyrone Marshall.
What's the address?
7. Hello? It's 7.
It's 7?
Yes.
7 what?
Straight out of Compton.
Good afternoon. Thank you for calling Popeye's Global Service Center. How may I direct your call?
Hello? Is this the chicken place?
No, you have the wrong number, sir.
God damn it. What's so funny?
Thank you for calling Popeye's Global Service Center. How may I direct your call?
Motherfuckers! You think it's funny because I like chicken? You laughed at me
You
before?
need help.
I'm
Goodbye.
gonna bust a cap in your ass. No, fuck this. I'm gonna bust a chicken jump in your ass. But that's just squeaky, man. We're doing black prank calls at the minute. We're recording for YouTube, so go black. I'm black? No, you're the devil, man. You're
What
too
the
black,
fuck?
man. It's too deep, man. Like. Yo, what's up, man?